If you are an admin user and you would like to add variant prefabs for your vendors and cashiers to use when creating new inventory items, simply navigate to your inventory page, navigate up to Admin Tools, selecting Attribute Manager. Here is where you will add your variant prefab. To add a prefab, first start with the prefab name. The prefab name is internal only and is used to easily indicate what the prefab is for. In this case, I will say bolt sizes. Then I can add the attribute name. This is what will be displayed to customers and to cashiers when they are looking at the labels. Then navigate to the default values tab and select the possible values for the attribute. Large, small. Then, once you're satisfied with the information that you've entered, hit Add Prefab. This will then update the grid seen below with your new variant prefab. If you'd like to edit an existing prefab, simply hit the green pencil on the variant you'd like to edit. Here you can enter a new prefab name, a new attribute name, and new default values. Updating a variant prefab will not alter existing items and will only affect future items that use this prefab.